buddies? That's cool. What's up, guys? We are going to we are going to Prairie Pine Preserves. Prairie Pine, where are we going? Prairie Pines Preserves. And that's across the bridge. By the way, I saw a really cool lizard out here, and it's still here. It's bigger than usual, so let me get out of here and show you. All right, we're going to Prairie Pine Preserve. Kind of like what we did yesterday, just like walking and talking. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I kind of want to like put this somewhere. I don't know where though. Oh, I could put it right here. That'd be dope, right? Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh yeah, that's really cool. Yeah. Oh, I love that. It's like sturdy. Yeah, it's going nowhere, baby. It's going nowhere. All right, we're going to Prairie Pine Preserve. It's like 10 minutes away. Let's do it. Let's wear the shades. Let's flip and go, baby. This is fun. Fun road tripping. Wasn't that lizard so cool? That was amazing. I gotta tie that a little bit. Yeah, that was badass. That was cool. I'm excited for this hike. You know what I mean? This is gonna be cool. We got water. We don't have a lot of water. Oh, look at this.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
These ducks. Come on, duckies. Let's go. Sorry, guys. Let's go, guys. I don't want to run you over. Let's go, guys. Come on, duckies. That's right, duckies. Sorry. We ain't doing that to the duckies today. Ugh. Shove her right in. I'm excited. I kind of want to go to my...
Turn right.
She needs to... It's done. Be quiet. Please be quiet. Oh, it's a beautiful sunny day. I know I'm going to get some more sun. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I forgot the words. Yeah. This is the van. As you can see, there's like a bed back there. Maybe you can see that. If I do that, can you see that? 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 Okay. I'm excited. We're just going to be filming this whole flipping thing. People are going to be like, oh, what is this? What is this video? You know, I don't have any promises and I can't tell you. You know, this is my favorite part. We are about to cross the bridge. If I do that, can you see that? If I do that, can you see that? That's dope. I like that song. I like this GoPro 9 because not only is the audio good, honestly, like, it feels like I'm in real time. Like, I can get up close and I feel like I'm in real time with you guys. You know what I mean? But we're about to cross the bridge, which is honestly my favorite part. You can see You can see the bridge. Yeah, I love crossing the bridge. It's always super cool. Let's go, baby. Let's flip and go. Let's get wrecked. Okay, I can't wait to get like a longer extension pole. I should go to Five Below or something, you know what I mean? That's the vibe. Isn't that so cool? We're going. Alright, we're 2 minutes away. I'm really excited. This is gonna be fun. Whoa, there's some cool wildlife going on today. But I don't know what we're gonna talk about today. What is that sound? There's always sounds in this van, you know what I mean? Ooh, what was that? Apparently we're here. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Yo, is that horses? Oh my gosh. Oh man. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I'm literally. There's horses. We're gonna see horses. See that? Oh, we're going around. I'm not even joking. If there's horses, it's my lucky day, guys. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love horses. Yo, see this? Oh, we're gonna see horses today. That is so cool. I'm gonna park right next to the horse trailer.
I'm gonna park next to the horse trailer.
We are here. I'm so excited. This is like my new spot. I'm just gonna shove it in here and it's great. Okay. We're probably not gonna see any horses, but oh, that's all right. Let's get out of here. Oh yeah, that's cool. We are gonna go on a cool hike today. That is for sure. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna lock up the van. That's so funny. It says Jesus and horses. We don't need that. All right. I wonder why it's open. Oh, it should be open because of. I'm gonna check this out. This is cool. This is cool. Oh, I want to check it out. Oh, it's definitely horses. Oh, that's so cool. That's badass. I wonder if there's a horse in there. There's no way. That would not be a vibe. So I like to always see that on. It just like darkens out and dims out. Probably because it saves like battery. But this is cool. Prairie Pine Preserves. Is there a horse trail? I better be seeing some horses. It's cool. Oh damn, there's no horses. All right. We're walking and talking. Sometimes I just like to walk. By the way, I've got a knife on me just in case I need to stab somebody. I mean, that would be great if I found some horses on this trail. Whew. Be amazing. This is gonna be a cool trail. I know it. I feel it. Tons of wildlife I saw so far today. Walking and talking. What are we gonna talk about? What are we gonna walk about? I don't know. I like doing these videos. It feels like I'm like right here, you know? Shout out to Stacy. This is her top. It's a cool top. It's like yarn material, woven. Yarn material. Yeah. Stay active, get some sun in. I smell horses. Super cool. I don't know what to name this video. I think something extravagant must happen to name the video. You know what I mean? Hopefully I find like some crazy looking animal. That'd be great. Today, I've just been emotional. You know, I think every day gets, you know, up and down, and that's normal. But today I've just been thankful. Yesterday I wanted to be more thankful, and today I definitely feel very thankful for people in my life. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. This is a really cool, oh, you can see the bridge over there? This is cool. You know, the people that lifted me up, and oh, that's cool. Hey there, buddy. Hey, come here, buddy. I don't have any nuts for you. Oh, you see that? See that snake? Ooh, that was scary. We should go to it. Hey there, buddy. Oh, hey there, buddy. Come here. I have no nuts for you. That was cool. That was the first snake I ever seen so far. That is so cool. I think that's the horse trail, 100%. There are horses. I'm going to the horses. That is so cool. Yeah, that is the horse trail. Hear that? Hello? Did you hear that? That was so funny. It only does it when you make noise, I've noticed. What was that? It's like a type of animal. Type of animal. But getting back to talking and walking, you know, like you grow up and you surround yourself with people, and sometimes relationships and friendships can just kind of fizzle out. What was that? And that's okay. I think that has happened a lot this past year. Like, I just cut out a lot of people, and you know, I hate to do it, but like sometimes you need some you time, and that's okay. You know, you got to surround yourself with people that will lift you up no matter what. And sometimes it's hard, but you can come together at the right moment with somebody later on in the future. I mean, I think it's possible. You never know. Don't feed the wildlife. This is cool. It's like a little box. Wonder what it's for. Let them stick to your natural diet. Yeah. That's cool. I mean, what if like something came up to this window? That would be wild. This is such a cool lens. It's like super view. You hear that? So cool. I love this trail. It's close. It's like 10 minutes away from my place. I love it so far. Tons of wildlife. Really cool spot. And that's okay. Like, oh, no horsies. It's so sad. And that's all right. Like, it is what it is. You know? People come and go, but I do believe that you need time for yourself, you know, and then you surround yourself with the right people and like a little bit, you know, just a little bit of people, and it makes you more thankful. It allows you to grow as well. Yeah, and that's all right. Like, I think it's smart to do that, you know? You need time for yourself, and when you surround yourself with just a few people that just raise you up, it feels like 20 people, you know? Look at this. This is so cool. It looked like water to me. It looks like it's all dried out, you know? I don't think that I don't know, I kind of want to go over there, see what's up. But, I mean, I don't know if it's water. I think it's safe to walk through. I'm just trying to go to this little piece of water over here. I want to see a gator. That's what I want to see. Maybe this video is about like being thankful and, you know. Oh. You know, I don't know. I didn't know what to talk about today because yesterday we talked about moving and it being emotional. But that was a cool bridge. Yeah, I'm gonna get some good tan sunlight today. It's gonna be good. Yeah, but just super thankful. Gonna be releasing a song this coming week. I'm pretty excited. It's like remade the song. It's called Reach Out, so I'm really excited for that. I think that's what made me really just thankful. And, you know, do I get homesick? Yeah, but this is me growing and, you know, experiencing new things. And I think your emotions are going to be like up and down. Should be more up than down, because this is like everything that I ever wanted, like right in front of me, you know what I mean? But unfamiliar territories, unfamiliar vibes, you know what I mean? So thought that was a lizard in the palms. That would have been cool. This trail is cool. I want a big stick, like a long stick, you know, so it can be like out here, so you can see like the full view. My arms are not that long, but that's a cool view right there. Very long view. See, it blacks out. I can see it blacking out. Yeah, but this weekend it's gonna be fun. I want to go on lots of hikes, and I want to go hiking every day. I just want to make this like a normal thing for me. Just go hiking, and if I could do this and kind of like talk and walk each day, that'd be awesome, you know? That'd be great in itself. Just talking and walking. We got the first plane. Woo, that was close. It's close to the ground. Probably like a private airport or something. So far, I like this trail a lot. I like the one yesterday. What was that? forgot what it was called. This is the PPP, Prairie Pine Preserve. Call it the PPP. Hiking the PPP. That sounds weird. Like, I don't know if I like that. Oh, we're kind of going in a loop. We should go. Is this that? Is it like that short of a flipping hike? No, we're gonna hike more. This is. I wonder if you can go on like a different trail. Let's check it out, because I feel like I just hiked that whole section. Yeah, I'm wearing the wrong socks. They're like the low-rise socks. Oh my gosh, I thought I saw horses. I was like getting excited. Okay, we're gonna go on this trail. Oh, this is the... We're on the trail. The horse and the hiking trail. Sign me up. Horse and the hiking trail. Oh, I'm definitely gonna find some horses here. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. When I see like a massive beast, like a horse, oh, I freak out. Oh, here we go. We see a creature. Oh, this is gonna be more entertaining. I know it. I feel it. Are there horses over there?
I think so. I didn't pass them, but
Oh, okay.
I know they were getting out of the trailer when I
Oh,
was coming
yeah.
down here.
I'm
so.
excited. Hey there, buddy. Oh, yeah. Here we go. See the prints? I see the prints. Horse prints. Oh, they were coming out of their trailer. I know that for sure. Whoa, gotta lift it up. Definitely wore the wrong socks. It's gonna hurt me in the long run. It's because it's like rubbing. You get that feeling where you wear like the wrong socks and they just like give you such a bad rug burn or blister. That is not a vibe. We don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, I'm on a mission to like find the horses. Should that be the YouTube title? I'm on a mission to find the horses. That'd be funny. But yeah, I just feel very thankful today. Oh, here we go. They probably walk like pretty fast. I see the horse trail. This is the horse trail. You can see the horse prints. There they are. All over the place. It's exciting. Yeah, I just woke up being super thankful. I think the song helped, like listening to one of my songs that I made back in Michigan. Pretty excited to release that. It's just like really kind of like an intimate song. I made it in my room, so I'm pretty excited to release it. It's gonna be awesome. See that butterfly? It's like yellow. It's pretty. Yellow and black. We see the horse tracks. Yeah, it was the first time seeing a snake. That was really cool. was black, so I wonder what kind of snake it was. There's tons here, you know. I forgot to take my what is it called? Tenacious Earth or something. The thing that I took yesterday. I forgot the name of it. Diatomaceous. You should think of diet. That's cool. Very private. Diatomaceous Earth. Yeah, I forgot to take that. I don't know why I didn't take it, but there's the bridge that we went on. Cool bridge. Oh my gosh, I thought I saw a horse. I got so excited. Damn it. Yeah, but I'll take it when I get home. Yesterday I was feeling weird, maybe because like I was thinking about like, well, it kills parasites and it has a whole bunch of like benefits to it, so maybe I was just like, I don't know, thinking about it. I was like, oh damn, like, are they gonna come out of me? I don't know. So all right, getting up to a bridge. It's cool. Perfect for horses. Here we are, the lots lane. I think that's where the parking lot is, maybe. Oh, that's cool. Oh, the horses could have gone down these trails. Dang. Imagine the wildlife in that river. I would go in that river. I want to go in a river. Probably not this one. But imagine putting it under a microscope. I want to get a microscope so bad. You know? All right. Just keeps going. All right. How do you know where you are? What? I think we go this way. Oh, yellow. Parking lot. Because if I go this way, then I would have to loop around. I mean, I could, that's a longer hike. But this is good sun. The sun is coming from the back, so it's like hitting back here. It's good. Sun is so good for you, especially for your scalp. That was a cool little bridge. That's cool. It's wider. It's cool. Horses are going this way. I can see hooves. Probably won't see them. Getting to that point where it's like, I don't think we're going to be seeing horses today. Yep. That sun feels so good. Getting some good sun on the back of my neck. Yeah, that's so good. So you can see the hooves. Got one right there. They're all around the horsies. This loops back to the parking lot, I believe. I didn't really know how to read that map. Maybe I'm... You know how you read something and it's like right in front of you and you still can't see like what you're trying to look for? That was me back there. Couldn't find it. Couldn't tell you. We're gonna keep going straight. Yeah, it's a long shot. Straight shot. I mean, here we go. Here's another map. Maybe we'll say you are here. Let's check it out. Looks like there's a river on the other side. No, there's not. Okay, here we go. Here we go. A lot of hiking today, that's for sure. Tons of hiking. You are here. That's what I was looking for. And then... I'm confused. So if you go here, go on the red trail and then Lots Lane, what does that mean? Oh, parking area. I'm kind of confused. If we find somebody, we'll ask them. Because I feel like my gut says go this way. I don't know why. Maybe it wraps around. If not, we're getting more steps in and that's a good thing. Oh well. We'll figure it out. Whew. Just running. We're running to the horses. I see them. They walk slow, but they are fast. I think they went the other way. Wow. They are fast. That's for damn sure. At least I saw them. You know what I mean? We got to the horses. They are quick. Damn, they're fast. Just trying to get back to the parking lot, damn. Whew. See the horses? There they are. Oh yeah, that's cool. Whoa. Hey guys! Hey there, buddies! That's cool. I parked right next to you guys because I got excited about the horsies.
Oh. Copycat and deputy.
Copycat and deputy?
Yep.
No way. Copycat and deputy. That's cool. There they are. Copycat and deputy. That's some funny names for some horses. It's cute though. Whew. This trail definitely goes on forever. It is a hot one. Damn. Trying to get back to the van for real. All right, we need a water break. Need some water. I need food, that's what I need. Man, oh man, it's hot out here. I even know where the way back is. Like, where's the parking lot? Lots Lane? Is that where I'm supposed to go? Yeah. And then there's a fence. Wetlands. I'm kind of confused with this whole thing. Parking area, restrooms. And I'm right here. So, honestly, if I go here, here, and then here, there's no way. Like, how do you get there? Neighborhood access. I don't even know. I'm thirsty. This is kind of confusing me a little bit. But we're getting a good hike in. That's all that matters, you know? Lots Lane. I don't know what that means because I can't go over here. I'm just gonna look at a map because this is honestly really confusing me. Dude, what? Help. Holy moly, we finally made it. I hiked for at least 2 hours, I know that. My GoPro's at 10%. Look at the horses, they're in the... That's so cool. They're in the trailer. Yeah, so... That was a long hike. So... There they are. They're going away. That was so funny. Right in time. Right in time. There's another horse trailer. Let's check it out. See if there are any horses in there. I doubt there are. But let's see if this runs, because when I had the backup camera plugged in, it drains the battery. I'm pretty sure it does. It's a little bit tricky. Whew. Oh, it feels good to be back. Oh. See, I should unplug that every time. See that? Oh. Got the pillow. Gotta get some water up in here. Those horses were like the highlight of my day. Oh yeah, we got a sticker here. I'll put that in the van since I'll be driving this a good amount. Oh, that's cool. That's a straight up hawk. I think so. Yeah, so this is the pillow. And we are gonna go around. Oh, that's cool. Around the corner. We're gonna go this way. This person's like, what? Let's check out this hawk. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, is that a hawk? Yeah, it is a hawk. That is cool. Circling around, it's going somewhere. That is cool. It's hot as hell. Look at that. That's so cool. I love birds. Oh, the breeze feels good. All right, we're gonna put in park real quick. They say never walk away from a running car, but it's all good. Real quick. We're gonna put the sticker right there so people can scan it, check out my stuff. I think that'll be a cool spot somewhere. I mean, right here is a cool spot. But yeah, I have a lot of like GoPro things where it sticks, like probably sticks right here, and then you can put your GoPro there. I think having it like right here would be cool because you can just like Or like right here on the dash. I don't know yet. We shall see. This is gonna be a long one. Long vlog. There we go. Alright, we're at Walmart. I should have just hitched a ride off of that. For real. Alright, we're getting a shower rod. Then we're just gonna go back home. I don't really know where this video is going. Woo! It's my friends. I mean, that's really cute, right? Why do they do this to us? That's so cute. Even the cow one, that is funny. Like, where are they coming up with this stuff? That is so funny. Like, you don't need that, but it's like you need it. You know what I mean? I'm on 9%. 9%. All right, we're probably gonna get a trash can and look at the trash cans and then look at the shower rods. All right, we've got the shower rod. Get back. I was in there for a while. I think it charges when maybe? I feel like it does charge when I have it plugged in. Like while I film and have it plugged in. With caution. Hey, what's up? You know what I mean? Super cautious. I don't know. All right, this is my claw grabber. I love it. All right, guys. Well, that is the YouTube video. I don't really know what else to say. My thing is gonna die, so maybe that's like a good indication of ending the video. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Hope everybody enjoyed the walk. This is cool. I got this from Amazon. It just folds. Look at that. Look at that. It's cool. All right. Peace.